Hey guys, I'm going to show you the FOIL and box method. First off, I'm going to show you the FOIL method. FOIL is basically multiplying the first digit times the first digit, the outer digit times the outer digit, inner digit times the inner digit, and the last digit times the last digit. I'll show you what it means later on. Basically, it's used to multiply polynomials. And here's an example. Parentheses 6x plus 2 times 4x plus 3. This is a basic polynomial, and this is the FOIL method. We'll first multiply 6x times 4x because it's first times first. Then we'll go to the outer times outer, which is basically the outer number times the outer number, which is 6x plus 3 times 3. The inner. Then we'll go to the inner times the inner digit, which is 2 times 4x. Then we'll go to the last times the last, which is 2 times 3. And you'll get 6. And this is how you write out the FOIL method. Then you'll plug it in into a formula. 24x squared plus 18x plus 8x plus 6. And there's like terms, so you had to add them. And the answer is 24x squared plus 26x plus 6. Here's another example. 13x minus 4 parentheses times negative 2x minus 6 parentheses. And first off, we'll multiply 13x times 2x because it's the first times the first. Then we'll multiply 13x times negative x because it's the outer times the outer. Then we'll multiply the inner, negative 4 times negative 2x because it's the inner times the inner. And we'll multiply the last times the last, which is the last thing in the FOIL method. Negative 4 times negative 6. We solve it. Then we get negative 26x squared minus 78x plus 8x plus 24. And we had to combine like terms. And we'll get negative 26x squared minus 70x plus 24. And that's just the FOIL method, guys. Now we go on to the box method. Okay. Sorry, guys. Hold up. Okay, the box method is basically the FOIL method. The same thing as the FOIL method. It's just an easier way of solving a polynomial. And the first you put the first digit in the parentheses in this box, on top of this box, and right here. And then you put the second digit in the parentheses right here and over here. And don't worry about this box. I'll explain why later. And here's an example. So, okay, remember how we did the FOIL method and we had to do first times first? Well, now in the box method, we put the first digits in the parentheses, which is 6x and 4x. So we put them on top of this box and we get 24x squared. Then, and then outer times outer, 2 times 6x times 3, and it's right here because we put the second digits on here in the parentheses in here and here, so it's going to be 18x. Then we multiply 2 times 4x, which is 8x, which is the inner, and then we multiply 2 times 3, which is the outer, the last times the last, which is 6. And you always have to add the diagonal boxes together. And we get 24x squared plus 8x plus 18x plus 6. And the answer is combine like terms or add them together. 24x squared plus 26x plus 6 is your answer. Another example. 13x minus 4 parentheses negative 2x minus 6. And we'll do the same thing again. It's a box method. So first digit we multiply because it's first times first. Negative 26x squared. Then we go to outer times outer, which is negative 4 times negative 2x, which is 8x. Then we go inner times inner, which is negative 4 times negative 13x times negative 6, which is negative 78x. Then we go to negative 4 times negative 6, which is 24. And you always have to add these together. And we get 26x squared minus 70x plus 24 because we added this two together. And that's our answer. So basically, this is how the order goes when you multiply using a box method. You multiply here first, here second, here third, here fourth, because it's foil. And that's how you do the box method, guys. Well, it's Ibrahim and I'm out.